Christmas tide on high. In the morning no magic light. Christmas tide on high.
Y'all, it is good and cold as shit out here. It is so cold. Why is he talking so loud? Oh my god, I'm freezing. It's fucking cold. Wait, turn it off. I'm trying to vlog. I don't want to hear myself. Okay guys, so guess who's here?
Hey, hey.
Why do you always do that voice? Like Nisha, yeah. Voices for camera. Alright, so we're gonna go pick up our stuff.
That's naturally my voice.
We'll pick up my stuff. She has to go find her stuff. And let's go to Target we go. I'm so mad I have to put my mask on. My lipstick looks cute.
Yeah,
It's hot in here.
I liked your video.
Thank you so much. I appreciate all the love and support.
Oh my gosh. Cammy acts just like his dad.
No, he does.
Every week. I'm surprised they let me comment on it because you know usually when
I know they have kids. I hope they don't like flag my stuff. But I don't post a lot of content that has kids, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. Alright y'all, but I'm gonna come back in when we get inside of Target. Because I'm sure she's gonna play music and stuff. And don't nobody got time. Oh my god, look at the Christmas! I'm sure she's gonna be fly. But on another note, I'm debating like if, well, I mean, I'm not gonna do it, but if I'm gonna buy the stuff so my cousin can decorate the house, because y'all know I'm not putting up nothing. But I want like the blown up Santa Claus. I want that, but then I feel like with that I kind of low-key want two blown up Santa Claus, but I think it's doing too much. But let me just show y'all. I feel like y'all not gonna know where I live, so I'm gonna show y'all. But like in my neighborhood, they like they take holidays so serious. Like I don't know what the hell that is over there, but like they take the decorations and stuff pretty serious. So I need to get my decorations up outside of my house. So I'm thinking like I said, the blown up Santa Claus, or even like a reindeer or something. I think that's cute. Ooh, Santa and the reindeers. Like I want something cute. Like see this is too much for me. It's just too,
I hate all of them colorful.
it's too, yeah, it's too colorful. Like I would prefer
White lights.
yeah.
And like this one, like blown up Santa there.
Yeah,
Right here.
I'm just gonna show you guys so y'all can see. But yeah, like that's the blown up Santa I want. Like something like
And
that.
reindeer.
See, they copying my whole style. Or like you see how they have the lights right
Like
there.
this with the
It's-
candy canes.
It's very minimal. Yeah, look at this here.
That.
I mean, I don't know. I feel like if you're gonna do color, maybe have like a color scheme.
Yeah, you can only
Look
do
at
like
this house right here. Like, yeah, see what I mean though? In this neighborhood, like they decorate. Look at that. Maybe one of these days we could just show them like the lights in the neighborhood, because they decorate over here.
I mean, we did the like 2018 vlogs. We showed the whole house. That was like really, really decorated.
But y'all guys can see. I'm gonna just show y'all in my vlog so y'all can see. But y'all see like literally like every other block, everything is like, everybody decorates. They decorate out here. Look at this. If you even look, like y'all could kind of see like all down the block it's decorated.
But you know they're having a Christmas decoration like competition this year for like
Well, we lost.
like you win something or something like that. I don't know what you win. I forgot.
That is what I want. That Santa with the reindeers. I don't know if y'all saw it, but that is exactly what I want. So I'm gonna look for this. I bet you this damn Santa with the reindeers is like probably $100.
Probably.
I always want the stuff that's like super expensive. But yeah, that's what I want. I have a
I
headache.
feel like I came down too far.
Nah, this is the right way, and you could just take it slow mo.
I know. I could go up that block and around, or I could make this way right back.
But yeah, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna come back at you guys when I'm in Target and let y'all see what we found in Target. So we'll be back. So So we at Target. Look at the shirts, y'all. Like, tell me this is not. This is so cute. This is so my style. Like, I like stuff like this. Very basic, very minimal. Like, I love to stock up on these type of things. Like a regular crew neck you could always use. But I want this one. I want this style. But it's sold out.
I found a nice little jacket.
I'm gonna make it a pink one. This is cute. And I think a gray one. Tell me this isn't fire. Look at these pants with like this shirt. Super cute.
Very comfy.
Right? This is my vibe too though. Oh my god, I see nude, which means they have to have the pants, but it probably sold out.
Yeah, and that's an extra large.
I would never get this, I would look fat as fuck, but I'm just saying that's cute. Now mind you, I just bought a whole bunch of stuff from Zara. Let me tell y'all the shopping problem. I don't need none of this shit. Like, where am I? I don't even go nowhere. I'm gonna wear all of this stuff in my house. This is cute too though. Look at this. This is super cute. This is different. I could hit y'all with a whole Target lookbook.
It's always a vibe.
The mustard is super cute.
We're filming the fill-in now because
Okay, let me get the hell out of here.
I told y'all I need a new.
I want a beanie though. It's in this car right here. I want a black beanie. And then that's it. And then I gotta go. Because I'm gonna buy like mad unnecessary stuff. And I need to get food. They have cute jeans though. I am that person, like y'all. I have an addiction. I actually need work pants. This is cute too. I need pants for work, so let's see if I can find some work pants. These people probably like, why do these girls have their camera? Slim, high rise, slim hip thigh. How much are these? These are only $25. These are not bad. They're not like the flyers though. But I do need pants for work. I need black pants. Okay, let's go find Nell. I don't know where she went. I'm probably not even gonna buy those pants though, honestly. I'm not crazy about them. Ooh, what are these? They got some silk pajamas. What are these pants? Janelle, are these pajamas? Or pants? They are like super low. I would probably bust my ass on these. They have some cute stuff in here, like, y'all make sure y'all go to Target. They have hella cute shit. Let me get my bag though, because I have a problem of setting my shit down and I just be all over the place. I just want cute regular pants. Like, these are cropped. I need long pants. Skinny. These feel like check-ins, but I think I could get away with these. These are so big. These are so big. These are too big for me. can't find anything, and I feel like these are for the plus. This is a plus size section. Okay, y'all, if y'all know any place I can get some cute work pants, let me know. But most likely I'm probably just gonna get like black pants and stuff from Zara. From Zara, where I've been getting it from, because it ain't looking so bright. Actually, I see some pants on the other side, so hold on. Look at these nachos. I'm gonna show y'all the after in a second. I'm about to take it out. So I figured I'm gonna break up the stuff by showing y'all like different proportions. So we're gonna show y'all the food. I am pumpkin obsessed. As soon as it focused, I saw these cupcakes. Y'all know I had to get it. It's pumpkin cupcakes. Oh my god, these be so good with the cream cheese frosting. These are fire. Of course, for the kids, these Capri Suns that they go through so fast. Me and the kids, well, basically everybody in my house, especially my cousin, who claims she likes the real oatmeal because it's more healthy, but always eats this oatmeal. So I got some of those. I just got a couple of these naked juices, pina colada, green machine, and guava. Do not come for me because I know they're not good for you, but I like them anyway, okay? Let me feel like I'm doing something good with my life. Mind your business, okay? Mind your business. Of course, I can't believe it's not butter. I personally prefer like the spray. I just like to spray myself, you know. I like to be a little bougie with it, but I always buy the spray. I had to get me, you know, the little chicken, whatever, these, even though I have some that I just saw in my spice rack, but that's fine. You can never have enough of these, especially like when you cook curry chicken. Oh my god, if you add one of these into the little mixture, it gives the chicken such a good taste. I got the Bertinelli, the shrimp scampi with linguine. I plan on making that probably tomorrow, so I might show y'all how I make that tomorrow, like one of these days. I'll show you guys how I make it, but I know I'm gonna for sure film it. And I'm gonna add like my jumbo cooked shrimp. I hope I have extra what is the shit? What's the stuff you make with the heavy cream? I can't think of the name of it. To make a sauce. So I probably will show you guys how I make that. And of course I just grabbed some boneless diced chicken breast. Trust me, y'all, if you're a chicken eater like me, like that's one of the main meat I eat is chicken, you need to have this in your house at all times. Comes in handy. And then I have some of these Lunchables. I have some more. I don't know where the other ones is at, but I got this one, the pizza one. I have basically two and two, so it's like 4 for like the next 2 days. They can have that for lunch. And I think that's it for the food. But if I find anything else, I'm gonna show you guys. But this is it for the food, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got next. All right, y'all, I lied. I have more food I found. I forgot I got these little salads. I kind of want to start like incorporating more salads and stuff into my life, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I really don't like salad, so it has to have like hella meat and other things that probably defeats the whole purpose. But I got some salads, and these are not even the ones I really wanted, but this will do. I'm gonna show y'all how I judge it up. I'll probably show y'all like what I eat in a day too in these vlogs. So that's that. I got my favorite cookies. Oh my god, I love anything funfetti, but it has to be soft. Like if I eat pastries, it has to be soft. If it's hard, I will not eat it. But these ones are so freaking good, and they like the bigger cookie. Oh my god, they're so good. And then just some cheese. You can never have enough Mexican cheese and mozzarella. So yeah, that's that. And then the clothes, I was gonna show y'all the clothes because I got like hella clothes from Target. But what I think I'm gonna do is just do like a Target haul of clothing so you guys could just see the clothes, because they had a sale on Cyber Monday and the clothes was hella cheap. They had so much cute clothes in the Target I was at. Like, yo, I was sleeping on Target because those clothes are so cute. When y'all see the outfits, like, I guarantee you're not even gonna think it's Target. So I'm gonna save that. I might do that for like Thursday. My Thursday regular video will probably be that, so stay tuned for that one.